Jimmy Jam, jamming, Sabado Grande, Winter Wonder Jam, Season 11, Day 2 of the double play. I didn't even say anything about a double play yesterday because I was thinking, man, this might be a one-trick Friday. It might just be today and I'll have to take tomorrow off. But the weather flipped, weather cleared up, we cleared up. If you remember, we were talking about a little bit of respiratory distress, and I didn't tell you what I did to get over that. I did the shallow breathing in between sets. So I would do a set and I would feel a little tight up here. So I would sit down on the bench, and maybe you guys know this as breath of fire or the Wim Hof method, and just sit there and like, and I got a little bit more energy. But I tell you what, an hour in, I was saying, man, just let me get the next 30 minutes and I will be a good boy and leave on time. So I'm going to give you guys a euphemism for healthcare, wellness, fitness, all under one umbrella. We're going to call it vessel maintenance. The reason we are so dubbing it is because, you know, words about being healthy and being well seem to be taboo in the blogosphere these days. You know we're going into the gym, and it's probably a safe bet that you know we're going to work on legs, we're going to work on chest, and we might get a little bit in for the gun show because it is Saturday. So I'm going to take a minute and share with you my post-workout vessel maintenance, because yesterday we had some toxicity that needed to be removed from the vessel. So I made soup, I spiced it up, I ate it hot, I drank lots of tea and H2O, of course, popped some extra vitamin C and D and some charcoal and some apple cider vinegar tablets. Of course, I was back and forth to the restroom quite a bit. That's the point. That's how you eliminate the toxicity. So today, we're good to go, feeling better than we did yesterday. We didn't feel bad yesterday, we just didn't feel top-notch. We don't feel top-notch today, but we're a little closer to that top-notch than we were yesterday. The performance, however, remains to be seen and evaluated and reported on. So we'll get into the gym, get the job done, give you the report right after this message. It's another year of real life fitness, my friends. In the gym, out in the park, on the monkey bars, getting the job done. We are thriving in 25. It's Serenity year, but we don't slack. We got to get our groove on, get stronger, access to bodybuilding protocol, and we got something special for you behind the curtain. Everywhere we are is good fitness, it's positive exercise, positive results. Fortnight protocol, monkey bars, GYMMY Jam, park workout. Join us. Leg bomb weekend double play completed in the books. Whoa. I'm walking like Tom Cruise, man. Let me tell you what we got to today. We started off with squats, building it up very slowly, added 5 pounds to what we did last time. So squatting 150 now. Woohoo. And then we went heavy on the Smith machine leg press. Once we get a little bit more flexible in the hips and the knees, we'll be doing less weight, I'm fairly sure, on the leg press. Then we took a break for some chest work. We did a incline wide flies, not a lot of weight. We only went as far as 35-pound dumbbells. And then we did close grip, 2 dumbbells very close inside on the incline. It's more press out than up. You know how you go maybe this angle instead of straight up. Of course, we got the in-between stuff done, but we did more leg press sets than usual. And the same thing with squats, because we got 145 pretty easily. So we decided, let's put 5 more pounds on there. Do another set. A little bit more recovery, a little bit more socializing too. Then we finished up with leg extensions and finally leg curls. And the leg curls, those bad boys took us to the wall, man. We don't crash into the wall anymore. We get to the wall and we just kind of touch it. And then it's like, okay, you know, no more slamming into the wall for your boy here. Just about 100 minutes, way better than yesterday. We had a week of climate change, but that can't stop us, man. We got to get the job done, stay on track, and that's the story of this weekend. I'm thinking that maybe next week we might get an extra day in the gym. Thinking maybe Tuesday, because you know how I feel about Wednesdays, and Thursday would put us in a triple play. And you know what, we've done it before, but I'd rather not. So that's the dealio, mi gente. Gracias for joining us, doing all the good deeds. We appreciate you guys, and we will see you next workout.